In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off sleep focus on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing over here, if you look over here at the top, you can see near to the time, there is a kind of a bed kind of an icon. So that's called sleep focus. And if you wanted to turn it off, what you need to do is we have to go over here at the top right and do like this. So this is the control center. Now from here, you have to just go over here, tap on it, and that is going to give you these kind of an option. Just tap on it once again. Now as you can see, this has been turned off. So this is how we can turn it off, right? And also you can make few more customization or some kind of changes or make all kind of alternations. To do so, we have to go to the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the focus, tap on it. Now from here, you have to tap on sleep, and this is where you can set up everything. You can customize it as per your need, and you can make all kind of changes. And if you wanted to delete it, you can go to the delete focus here, just go for delete it. So if you can completely delete it as well. So this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.